This is Daryl from Alberta Laundry Systems. This is the Encore heavy-duty domestic style washer. It has a pump on it, and pumps can sometimes be problematic. Industrial laundry equipment does not have a pump. You will find that string, hair, debris are the enemy of a pump, and as a result you don't see it on the bigger equipment. But in a domestic machine they all have pumps, and they do cause problems. They're the number one cause of problems on any of our laundry equipment, that style. What you find is there's a strainer inside the pump, and that'll stop debris from getting into it, and they can plug up. So the first thing you want to do is to access the pump by removing the lower panel, remove the two screws, tilt the bottom up, and remove it. Then you will see a cap and drain tube on this pump assembly. If the machine has water in it, you have to remove the water by draining it out by removing the cap of the tube and draining into a pail. Once it's all drained out, which could take a while, then you remove the cap and check for debris. If it's clean, then we know it's not a plug from that. So now we've got two things that may need attention. We could have a pump that's bad, or we could have a pump that is not getting power from the power board. We want to test the pump by accessing the service program. We do that through a switch at the back of the coin vault. You do that and press the button, go up to number 46, and then we will turn the pump on and off and check for voltage. 1 is on, 0 is off. Alternatively, you can access the service program from the front of the washer. You hit the cold, delicate, and start button, and then you enter in a code 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hit the start button and you get access to a limited service program. Then again, go up to 46. Check for voltage at the pump, and if you have voltage, you know the pump is not pumping, you know you've got to replace it. So we have to check for power, and we do that with a multimeter. If you have power, then you're going to need to replace the pump. If you do not have power, then we have to go up to the top of the machine and replace the power board. Here's how we show you to do all of those. to install a new pump, just get the new pump, grab it, stick it in, and do everything in reverse.